Hello friends, today we see so many cute cars and toys. So come with me. Yahoo! Here are so many cars and toys. Friends, a bluish color car is coming. Oh, it's running so faster. The next is coming. What is this, friend? This is an four wings helicopter. It's run with his wheels. Now, friends, this is police car, the bluish color car. Wow. The white color car is coming and running. Wow. So many cars. Wow. The next is a helicopter, blue helicopter. Yay. Oh no. The car is so super speedy. Yes. The next one is a white color speedy car. It is a yellow color car. We keep it in collection. This is the next one. Oh, the next one is the gorgeous and strong spider car. What is the next one, friend? A red color car. Wow. The car is moving. Wow. So nice. What is the next one? Come. The next one is a reddish color car. Yeah. The car is running so nicely. We keep it in our collection. Let's see the next toy. The next one is another red color car. Yes. See this friend. Oh, she is running. The drum truck. Yes. Pink color. While. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.